Today I'm reviewing cases for the new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8. As always, I'll be giving cases away to those who subscribe and comment. More details at the end of this video. The phone was just announced today, and luckily I got my hands on a dummy phone so I could try on the new cases. But only SUPCASE and PITAKA were able to get me their cases in time for the launch event, so usually I like to feature between 7 to 10 cases in my launch video, but the only other cases available were from no-name brands, like Super Happy Cool Case and and I don't want to go there. So I'm going to try these cases on like I usually do, and hopefully I can help you make the decision that's right for you. And this is a dummy phone for the Z Flip 8, but the only difference aside from not being able to turn it on is that the hinge is a little bit flimsy. Alright, let's get started. First we have the SUPCASE UB Grip Tilt for the Z Flip 8. This case looks just like SUPCASE's other phone cases. It has that really cool design, it's very rugged, and it has those grips, making the phone nice and grippy regardless of whether it's open or closed. It has this flimsy piece of plastic with lens cutouts on the back, I guess just to provide some scratch protection, and a kickstand. The kickstand is very sturdy too, works very well. Now this does bulk up the phone a little bit, but it also offers a lot of protection. Very nice protection around the lens area. A little more shallow when it's open, but still good protection. The hinge is also protected very nicely. The case does have its own volume buttons, and they press pretty nicely, and a nice cutout for the power button. And there's a space for a lanyard. Oh, and it also comes with this stylish belt clip, you know, if you're one of those people. No judgment. So yeah, overall this is a pretty nice case. Really love the design. It does bulk up the phone a little bit, but it offers tons of protection and really good grips. About 43 bucks at the time of this video, but make sure to check the description for updated pricing and discount codes. Also from SUPCASE, this is the UB Grip case for the Z Flip 8. Now this is a very protective case, but it doesn't add a ton of bulk. It's pretty good balance. It opens up nicely, feels good in the hand. It does have this thin piece of plastic here to protect the back of the phone, and there's cutouts for the lenses. And on the other side, it is a nice MagSafe ring. Like many SUPCASE cases, they have very good grips. They're UB Grip. A really nice raised lip over here to protect the lenses. When opened, it just comes up a little bit. They have their own buttons on the side, which press pretty nicely, and a nice cutout for the power button. Your thumb just kind of sinks right in there. And this phone has its own kickstand that comes out. Looks like it works pretty well, but it's also kind of hard to test it on the dummy model because the hinge won't stay open. And this also provides very good protection for the hinge. You can attach a lanyard right here if you like that sort of thing. Nice cutout for the USB. Let's test the MagSafe. Ooh, that's very strong. Good MagSafe. So yeah, this is a pretty good case. It looks really nice. It offers a lot of protection and grippiness without a huge amount of bulk, so it's really good balance and really very protective. It's about 45 bucks at the time of this video, but check the description for updated pricing and discount codes. Next up, this is the PITAKA case for the Z Flip 8. PITAKA always has the same designs for all their phones, and I really love their cases. Very minimalistic. It comes in multiple colors, and it has that really nice aramid fiber I like. Now this is a minimalistic case, so it provides a good amount of protection, but not as much as one of those ultra protective cases. It feels really good in the hand, excellent hand feel. The bezel comes up nicely to provide protection for the camera lenses, and there's no back over here, you're just touching the phone. There's also no hinge protection. Nice shallow cutouts for the USB. Then the bottom, of course, is fully protected, and completely exposed buttons on the side, which I like a lot. I'm a fan of pressing the actual phone buttons. Now, does it have MagSafe? Yes, it does. Excellent. Really nice and strong too. So yeah, if you want a really nice minimalistic case that feels great in the hand, adds really strong MagSafe, and isn't ultra protective, but it offers a pretty good amount of protection, then this might be for you. For me, the more minimalistic, the better. About 59 bucks at the time of this video. Be sure to check the description for updated pricing and discount codes. Okay, so that's it. This one was short and sweet because case brands just could not get these flip cases out to me fast enough. So here are the details of the giveaway. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel and make a comment. Any comment at all, as long as it's not rude, then you're out. Once my channel hits 5,500 subscribers, I'm gonna put all the comments into a spreadsheet and use a random number generator to choose 3 winners. And if that's you, I'm gonna send you one of these cases for free. Once I hit 6,000 subscribers, I'm gonna do it again and send another 3 cases out. So yeah, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and make a comment. Tell me which one you like the best. Maybe there's another one I didn't get to cover yet. So good luck, and as always, thank you so much for watching.